Alright, so here we are, Jewel of the Seas, Junior Suite 1576. And they don't have the tap here, so we're going to have to insert the card. And let's check it out. Okay, I'm going to give you the quick little wraparound first. And we're going to turn this TV off so we don't hear Lulu and Mika. There we go. Alright, let's get this started. And we're going to start with the bathroom. But right here you got your temperature control along with the light to the bathroom. And Junior Suite, you get salt and breeze amenities. You got your single sink. Got a little storage shelf on the bottom. These should open up. They do. And also on the other side, the older ship still has a razor plugins here. So you can see you have your salt and breeze, shower up top, and Junior Suites you get a tub. So there you go, that's the bathroom. Turn that light off. And on the other side we have the walk-in closet. The switch is on the inside here, there we go. And with the Junior Suite you do get your robes. Plenty of hanging space, you got the pull down bars. You got a little nook here that doesn't seem to have any hanging, but and here you have shelving, you got your in-room safe. It's not that big, but big enough for your valuables. Some more shelving down there. And that's the walk-in closet. As we continue on, we have Diamond Plus, so we get our 3 waters each. Move those out of the way. So right here you have more shelving. Just an open area. Here you got some drawers with your hair dryer, tissues. Sorry about the noise. Like I said, an older ship. Let's see what we got. A little fruit plate. Very nice. Here you got your plugs. Couple regular plugs. And telephone and modem. Wow, that shows you the age of the ship. You got a little more storage behind here. Above the TV, we got some more shelving. Plenty of shelving. More drawers on the other side of the desk chair. And here you have your cooler, which is deep in there. There you go. Junior Suites comes with a Lavazza coffee maker. And you have your chair with the ottoman. Here you have your couch and a small table. And then we got the Royal King. Got a little more drawers here on the side. You got your lights. Light switches. Coming over to the other side, you got your phone. Give you a little pad. You got some more light switches for you. A little more drawer. And now let's check out the best part of the Junior Suites. Is the balcony. And we have one lounger. Along with 2 chairs and a table. Swing around so you can see. have it. That's the balcony. So there you have it, folks. That was Junior Suite 1576 here on board Royal Caribbean's Jewel of the Seas. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, share the video with your friends, and let us know what other content you'd like us to record here on Jewel of the Seas. Thanks for watching. Bye.